Welcome to Whispers in the Corridors Bulletin. Go-to source for all decision makers. We are your one-stop destination for the latest news from bureaucracy, politics, and the corporate world. I am Khushi Mehrotra. People want another Yogi Adityanath in Rajasthan. Vote to Kamal only. PM Narendra Modi in his election meeting is not mentioning any name of a particular leader. He is only asking people to vote to Kamal only. Bureaucracy. Vivek Johari goes as NSA Mauritius. Railway Board Chairperson Mrs. Jaya Varma Sinha retires. Now on contract from October 1st. Interviews for CMD-IRFC on October 9th. GSTAT bench to be set up in Bihar. Corporate. Banmali Agarwal appointed Chairman TASL. Shailesh Parekh reappointed MD Gujarat Cotex Limited. Now digital issue of our magazine available on our website for free. Subscribe us on our YouTube channel and you can also find us on Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn. Visit our website whispersinthecorridors.com for more details.